Good morning from Animal Kingdom, which I'm assuming you just figured out because Kevin passed me, but decided to venture out into the parks today. Ed's relaxing at home. It's a lot of stimulus to come in the parks, and it is crowded here at Animal Kingdom this morning. But standing here in front of the sign because I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing yet today. Got to figure out where to go, but I guess I'm not making decisions alone today.
Whoa! Hey guys.
Florida's newest resident.
The newest resident. How is everybody doing today, guys? It's so nice to see y'all.
So where are we going?
I think we're going to try to go on Everest single rider, depending on what this line is like, because as Jason just said to you, the crowd levels are insane.
Yeah, it's kind of busy here today.
Yeah. I mean, it's 11:30. I don't know.
Maybe they'll get hot and leave soon.
Maybe they will. We might get hot.
That's also true. All right, over to Asia.
Cool.
Let's do it. By far, one of the best rides in a Disney park. Don't trust me, trust all the screams. So, next up, time to rescue a dinosaur? What are you doing?
We're gonna go catch that dino. I don't know, I wanted people to... We're just having a good time out here. We're gonna go catch some dinosaurs.
All right. Maybe ride Primeval Whirl if it's up and running, because I've still never ridden it.
Seasonally operational at the moment. If it's open, we are 100%.
Let's go see what season it is.
Yeah, that's a good line. I like that.
It would seem it is the not season right now. It's not running. I'm not riding it today. But somebody won something. Okay, I can respect that some people don't love what Dino Land is today. Tom might or might not be included in those people, but it is one of the best themed areas of the park, whether or not you like what they did with it. So, I mean, I just walked down on the side of Primeval Whirl here, where I've never really walked before. There's some awesome billboards and just signs back here. It is really cool. Something about this doesn't feel right. I'm looking in the jungle for the dinos, but I don't see any. Am I doing this wrong? So it seems the reason why I couldn't find the dino in the jungle is the dino's gone. Dinosaur's closed. And Tom is a really bad influence, so we're gonna go ride Kali River Rapids since I haven't been on it in probably a decade. So back over to Asia, and then maybe back to Dino Land, because that's how the world here works at Animal Kingdom. All right. Kali River Rapids, like I said, haven't done it in probably about a decade. Tom informs me, oh, you don't get too wet on this ride, which is the one thing you should never believe when everyone tells you. So I have my plastic bag for the camera, for all my important stuff. I don't care if I get wet, but this gear's not getting wet. So we'll see if Tom is right in just a little bit.
You're gonna be dry, I promise.
I think he's wrong. This queue is so awesome. Like, I feel like I'm in the jungle.
The Indian jungle. We're about to go down, I don't know what river this is supposed to be.
The Kali River.
We're gonna edit that out. So guys, we're going down to ride Kali River Rapids, which takes place on the Kali River.
And you must wear shoes, apparently. Alright, Tom, what'd you do to us?
I think we're in trouble.
Tom, you remember when we said we were going to stay dry? So, you told me we were going to stay dry. Who ended up wet?
I am soaked. I just stepped in a shower pretty much.
I'm a little bit wet, but bump.
I made it.
Karma got you, Tom. Karma got you.
We're in India, it figures. I
know. I was just going to say that makes sense. So, Tom promised me I'd stay dry. I stayed relatively dry. Tom is a liar. Tom is the wettest person to come off our raft.
I took a shower on Kali River Rapids. I'm soaked.
It seems appropriate that karma got a hold of Tom in Asia. I knew we were going to get wet. Karma. All right, and just like that, rides turn into hunger. Flame Tree Barbecue.
Flame Tree.
It is one of my favorite places to eat in the parks. Not necessarily because of the food, which isn't bad, but it has some of the coolest seating areas where you can get awesome views of this immersive park. Again, I always say it's one of my favorite parks for just immersion and Imagineering. So Flame Tree it is. So I just taught Tom a new local trick, mobile ordering. I don't know how he never did that before, but there's a huge line over here at Flame Tree. We're hungry. We just put in our mobile orders. Always use mobile ordering if you can. Big benefit of my Disney experience. Like I said, Flame Tree is one of my favorite places for eating and for the view. I mean, I'm sitting here with Everest behind me, all the beautiful gardens and seating areas in front of me. One of the best quick serve locations for seating for sure, although it is all outdoors, keep that in mind. But I got myself a pulled pork sandwich today with baked beans, some onion rings. Typical stuff. I love the flavors. The baked beans are a little bit spicy, both heat and a little bit of spice in them. That is more exotic, if you will, but delicious baked beans. Pulled pork is a pulled pork sandwich, but I'm all about the onion rings and barbecue sauce. Yummy lunch. Tom is nodding right next to me every time I say something about the food.
I agree with all this.
All right, so about that dinosaur that we didn't find earlier.
We are gonna go get that dino.
We just got some fast passes. Time to go nab ourselves a dinosaur.
An iguanodon, to be specific.
That was very specific. Did you really think I would come all the way to Animal Kingdom and not check out the Tree of Life? So on my way out today, huge thanks to Tom Does Disney for joining me for an adventurous afternoon. Oh, here he is.
Hello. Thanks to Jason for having me along. We had a great time.
Oh yeah, of course. So on the way out now, we're gonna go check out the Tree of Life because it is one of, again, my favorite things to do here. So if you liked us gallivanting around the park today, be sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time Ed or I are doing something interesting. And in the words of Ed, make sure to take the link to this video and share it with everyone you know, because it was a fun adventure today.